You must go to the official website. At the bottom, there is a support section. There, click on Warranty, and you have two options. If you are in the United States or Canada, you should fill out the form directly on the page. If you are from another country, you should look for the email address to contact them. In the coverage information section, I found a question, and there was the email. You can help yourself with Google Translate or DeepL. In either case, you should contact them in English. Again, you can use the translator I mentioned before. My case is the one from outside the United States, so I wrote them a simple and brief email asking them about how is the process for the warranty and included the product and model, the problem, damage, and the country and city where I live, not your exact address. This is for them to determine how your warranty will be processed. Be brief. They will reply with an automatic email. In my case, it was answered by the parent company called Fiskars. This is so you know that they don't answer you from the original email. That response email includes your case number and processing wait times. In my case, it was 3 to 4 weeks. I was asked to reply with the following information: a photo of the product taken by me and my exact address. I recommend you that you fill out the address in the following format so the US staff can easily understand it. I left the template in the video description. Remember that your address doesn't need to be translated. Remember to reply also in English, but as you can see, the response to that email is super short. If you wish, include again the problem with the product. After 6 weeks, I did not receive a response, so I replied again to the Fiskars email, requesting information about the status of my case. I included again the data I sent before and copied also to the first email. They replied 19 days later and asked me to verify my address. I had not sent it in the format I suggested in step 2, so it makes sense for them to verify it. They will reply with an email confirming that your warranty has been accepted and processed, and that they will send you another email with the shipping information and tracking number. Well, this information never arrived, so I was not able to track the product. I just kept waiting. Finally, the replacement arrived in perfect conditions. In total, the whole process from first email to arrival took 3 months and 5 days. It arrived via UPS and FedEx by airmail. Keep in mind that we were still coming out of the pandemic. Apparently for them it's also a bureaucratic process because it arrived with many documents and receipts, including the export declaration form from the US Department of Commerce. Whoa. In the end, in my case, I never made any kind of payment, not even customs. I do not dare to say that you will never have to pay for anything because I don't know the regulations of each country, but you already have a guide on how to do it. I hope you find this useful.